Are you too busy to practice mindfulness but sense that you might be missing out on its stress relieving, mind clearing, and emotionally calming benefits? Then our Mindfulness for Busy People workshop is for you. Tim James and I, Jen Hill, will show you how to turn your routine daily activities, just like cleaning your teeth or driving to or from work, doing the dishes, answering emails, into powerful mindfulness practices. We'll show you how mindfulness practice does not have to be an extra task to add onto your already full to-do list, but is something that you can integrate it into the tasks and the jobs that you already do. We'll show you how to easily create healthy new habits so you too can start to enjoy the benefits of greater mindfulness throughout your day.
Yeah, thanks, Chen. I think this workshop has come about because at times it's either unavoidable to be busy or desirable to be busy. Sometimes it's a busy person who really knows how to get something done, to make things happen. So busyness is a part of life. And the challenge is when we're busy without some form of balance. And so, when perhaps we're not looking after our health and well-being through nutrition, through exercise, and through activities and practices like mindfulness. And that, when we're not, that's when burnout is potentially on the cards and our mental health can take a real battering. So, this workshop has come about to give you the tools to really allow you to step into your work or your day, whatever your day entails, with a mindful approach, bringing greater ease, less stress, enhanced focus, and clarity. All factors that really flow into the way in which your day unfolds, as well as your mental and overall well-being. So we really look forward to welcoming you on the 29th of June on the Sunday at 2 p.m. Can't wait to be with you.